If you want to use Quick Share on the Samsung Galaxy S26, it is pretty simple and straightforward. Usually, in order to use Quick Share, you just have to share your file. So let's say if I go to the gallery and if I open this image, if I want to share it with someone, I can just use the share button that I have at the bottom of the screen in this specific case, in this app. And then over here we have the quick share option, so immediately your file is selected over here. You can also see your nearby devices, which usually require you to use the same account, like Google account I believe, or maybe even the Samsung account. And on the other hand, if you want to share it with another device, then it should be detectable in this area as well, as long as the visibility is enabled on that other device. You can also generate a QR code or a link that can be scanned on that other device in order to access these files that you have selected in here and download it, even if, for example, you use it on iPhone. So iPhones can actually download these links as well. Now, on the other hand, you can also switch to receive in case you are supposed to receive some files. And if you are in here in this menu, then your visibility is temporarily set to everyone. So you can be pretty much certain that your phone can be found on other devices. Of course, if you exit this menu, then this receiving option depends, or visibility actually depends on how it is set in the settings. So in case you want to adjust that, you can open settings on your phone, go to connected devices, and then in here we have quick share settings. So here we can choose who can share with you. So this is pretty much the visibility. You probably want to set it to everyone. You can also set it only for 10 minutes, or if you uncheck this option, then you will stay visible to everyone for as long as you want until you manually change it back. You can also set it to contacts, for example, or your devices if you don't really want to share with someone strange, like with a stranger, I mean. But essentially, you don't want to set it to no one if you want to make sure that you can actually use Quick Share. And that is pretty much it. Of course, the gallery app that I had shown you is just an example. Anywhere you can find the share button. This can be even like, I don't know, like in the My Files app, let's say, if you have like some custom files that you want to transfer. So if I go to even these install files, I can share that as well. As you can see, I can use Quick Share normally. So I think you get the idea. As long as you can find the share button, you should be able to find and use Quick Share as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.